Preston. No!
It's not looking at you. Don't worry about it. I just see the bottom of your legs. I gotta show Billy. Watch the TV.
Till I get my satisfaction.
Do that one, do that one. I like how the light goes up. Preston, you are awesome.
He's gonna have rhythm. I will make sure of that.
Push me, and then just
It doesn't
touch
light
me
up when he's
till
out.
I can get my
You haven't got one.
satisfaction.
Yeah. Oh, do that one. There you go.
He's just like Billy. Billy sticks his tongue out when he's playing video games. And that's what he's doing.
Push me, and then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction.
He's got 1,300 points.
Get in, Preston.
You're gonna be on my team, Preston.
Perfect.
What?
What happened to the guy?
He became a robot. I didn't want to cross in front of him.
Push me, and then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction.
And he'll go on that side so he can be behind him.
And then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction. Satisfaction.
Preston, are we gonna do this again?
No.
He almost has to go home. We're gonna do it fast, Preston.
It's over. Oh no, it's not.
He's gonna
You made 2,000!
No, he didn't.
It's my proudest moment as a mother.
Dominic, get out here. He can't play. He had Dominic. He doesn't just put him on the floor. He can just
Just put the remote in his hand, Dominic's, and just wave Dominic around.
Okay.
Oh my goodness me!
Come on, do that. Get from
Preston's
behind.
points.
Did I win?
That was
You won.
I was the red one?
Yeah.
Yeah.